Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Bitcoin. Bitcoin has broken down the support of $42,000 and moved below EMA 21 daily as well. And in today's video, we will take a look whether the price line is going to have a reversal move from here, or we are going to break down the next support as well. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis, and first of all, let me show you this daily time frame. And here we have already seen that we have broken out a very long-term down channel. We entered the channel here back in November 2021 and broke out the resistance here with this powerful bullish candlestick on 4th of Feb. And right now, after this breakout, we are having some correction, and during this correction we have also broken down a very significant support of $42,000. As in my previous video, I was telling you that this is very long-term support. You can see that previously, when we had this rally here back in January 2021, it worked as a very strong resistance, and we had a very strong rejection by this resistance of $42,000. Then again, it worked as a support here back in November 2021, and now it was working as a support, and recently we have broken it down, and we are again at the next support of $39,500. That is a very significant support, because previously it has been breaking as a resistance and support several places. And here back in January 2022, we can see it worked as a nice support, and here in September 2021 it worked as a support, and from May 2021 to June 2021, it has been breaking as a nice resistance for the price line. And even before, back in January 2021, when we were rejected here by $42,000, we moved down, and we moved up again once again and rejected by this $39,500 resistance level. So therefore, right now it can break as a nice support once again. And while breaking down this $42,000 support level, we have also broken down this EMA 21 daily support as well. And now there is going to be a bear cross formation between EMA 10 and 21. You can see this EMA 10, the blue line, is going to cross down this EMA 21. So far, this bear cross formation is not done, and soon it is possible that it will form this bear cross. And after the previous bear cross that we received here on 18th of November 2021, it was dropped more than 40%. Therefore, it is really important for the price line to recover back and move above the EMA 21 daily to avoid this bear cross. Now we can also find a new support that the Bitcoin has formed here. We have a bounce here, we have a bounce here, and now we are again at the same support level. And there is also a resistance, like we have a rejection here, we have two more rejections here and two more rejections here as well. And there is a formation of a bullish pennant, or a rising wedge pattern that is a bearish bias pattern. However, we are at the support. For example, if we will have a reversal move from here, then the price line can reach the resistance of this bullish pennant that will be approximately here at $44,500. Now, if we switch to the hourly time frame chart, then here price line recently formed this ascending triangle, and after formation of this ascending triangle, it has broken down the support. By the way, the target to the downside after this breakdown was here, approximately at $39,900. However, we have moved even below than that level, and recently on the same hourly time frame, it has formed another ascending triangle. Here we have the resistance of the new ascending triangle, and this is the support. And for example, if the price line breaks it out, then our next target to the upside can be here, approximately $41,200, and to the downside our target can be $39,200. And before that, we have still this very strong support of $39,500. So next few hours are really important. We can break out or break down this triangle. If we will break down, then we can again test the next support of $39,500, or maybe we will break it down However, if we will break it out, then we can make another attempt to break out the next resistance of $42,000 and reach a resistance here on the daily time frame on this bullish pennant as well. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I am sharing different trading ideas for you. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.